Guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, this is the video on the highest request I have made. So I have got a lot of comments that ma'am, we don't have degree, can we get a job in Germany, and so much more. So yes, if you are having no degree, then let's see in this whole video that can you actually get a job in Germany, specifically for Indian. Make sure to share this video if you are finding jobs, if you are applying for the jobs, if you are still very tired to find the jobs. So make sure to stay tuned, and in this video we're gonna learn that without degree can we get a job, yes or no. A lot of questions, a lot of misunderstanding, a lot of things will be clear in this video, because this will be the master key in your hands. So if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush-up classes, interview preparation, whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
You have no degree but still you want a job in Germany? Then the video is for you. Many people believe that it is impossible to work in Germany without a university degree. However, this is not entirely true. Germany is currently facing a large shortage of skilled workers in many industries. Because of this, the German government has created several pathways for foreign workers. Even for people without a university degree, if you have skills, experience and some knowledge of German, you can still build a career in Germany. Let's look at the most important options. The first option is Ausbildung, which is vocational training. The most popular way to go to Germany without a degree is Ausbildung. Ausbildung is a vocational training program where you learn a profession while working in a company. The system is called the dual system because you learn in two places. The first one, a company, where you get practical training, and the second one, a vocational school, where you get theoretical learning. So basically, you are learning and earning at the same time, that is vocational training. The duration for this is usually 2 to 3.5 years depending on the profession. Let's discuss the salary during Ausbildung. So you receive a monthly salary while learning. Approximate salaries are, for first year you get 900 euros to 1100 euros. For the second year you get 1000 euros to 1200 euros. And for the third year you get 1100 euros to 1300 euros. Then after completing Ausbildung, you can work as a skilled worker in Germany and earn a higher salary. Some of the popular Ausbildung professions are nursing assistant, hotel management, cook or chef, IT specialist, mechatronic technician, electrician, retail salesperson, baker, warehouse logistic. And remember, Germany currently has thousands of open Ausbildung options every year. Skilled worker visa without a degree. Germany recently changed its immigration rules to attract more workers. Means under the new Skilled Immigration Act, people without university degrees can also work in Germany if they have professional experience. Let's talk about the basic requirements. So you usually need at least 2 years of work experience, professional skills or training, German language knowledge that is of at least A2 or B1 level, and B2 is more safer. Then a job offer from a German employer. This pathway is usually for people working in fields like construction, hospitality, logistics, mechanics, electrical work, plumbing, and machine operation. If your skills matches Germany's labor demand, companies may hire you even without a university degree. Next is Opportunity Card or Chancen Card. Germany introduced a new visa called the Opportunity Card to attract international talents. This visa allows you to enter Germany and search for a job. Instead of requiring a job offer first, Germany evaluates applicants using a point system. Then points are given for education or professional training, work experience, German language skills, English language skills, age, and previous connection with Germany. If you collect enough points, you can receive the Opportunity Card visa. Now let's check some of the jobs in high demand sectors. So Germany currently faces serious labor shortage in many industries. Some sectors urgently need workers such as healthcare and nursing, construction workers, truck drivers, electricians, plumbers, hospitality staff, that is hotel and restaurant, warehouse and logistic workers, and industrial technicians. In many of these professions, skills and experiences are more important than a university degree. So, if you have experience, just try your luck. Importance of learning German. German language skills are extremely important if you want to work in Germany. Although some international companies use English, most job requires German. Minimum recommended levels for the basic jobs are A2 or B1. For healthcare and customer service, you should at least have B2, and German language skills helps you to communicate with colleagues, understand workplace instructions, integrate into German society, increase your job opportunity. So learning German significantly improves your chances of finding a better job. The salary expectations. Even without a degree, salaries in Germany can be attractive compared to many countries. For example, the approximately monthly salaries for care assistants are 2200 to 3000 euros. For hotel staff is 2000 euros to 2600, technicians 2500 to 3500 euros, electricians 2600 to 3400 euros, truck drivers 2400 to 3200 euros. These salaries usually increases with experience and qualifications. That means this is the average salary, and you can definitely expect more salary if you are in Germany. Work culture in Germany. German workplaces are known for strong workers' rights, fixed working hours, paid vacations, which is of usually 20 to 30 days, health insurance, and social security benefits. In Germany, employees are protected by labor laws which ensure fair treatment and job securities. And guys, please be careful of scams. Unfortunately, many people are misled by fake agents promising jobs in Germany. Important things to remember that Germany does not require huge visa fees. Real employers do not ask for large payments, and always verify job offers carefully. Safe sources for job applicants includes official company websites, German job portals, and government immigration websites.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.